We're getting ready for the most over-the-top house party ever, and thanks to Dick's Sporting Goods, all of our drinks are going to be cold with their new cooler line. Okay, so we've got 3 sizes, 48, a 65, and a 28 quart. Let's open them up and have a look at all the colors. First, we've got the 28. This is gonna hold 20 cans, 29 pounds of ice, and provides up to 5 days of ice retention. Wow, okay. It's 4 days post-party. Let's see how much ice is still left in here. So they say 5 days, it's been 4. We still have ice. Here's the 65, and you can see quite a bit bigger. And right in the middle, we've got the 48. Whenever we're looking at coolers, I always like to see them side by side. Right down here, we've got the 65, the 48, and the 28. The 28 is gonna cover 20 cans and up to 29 pounds of ice. Got nice rubberized locks to keep it nice and sealed. Inside, plenty of room. DSG branding all the way around. And there's even this really big rubber gasket seal to make sure that that ice really lasts. Now they claim 5 days of ice retention on the 28 quart. Now here on the 48 quart, they're actually claiming 7 days of ice retention, which is just kind of crazy. 50 cans and 50 pounds of ice, same locking mechanism. Now, on the 28, you've got a handle right up top to carry like this. On the 48, you've got rope handles over here on the side. There's even a drain port down here to make it easy for clean out. And on the biggest and baddest 65 quart, you've got tug-along wheels. We've got the same style clips to enclose, a drain down here below, and a tug-along handle to carry everything on those wheels. Now crazy, 8 days of ice retention on the 65. This holds 75 cans, 67 pounds of ice. And last one, 7 days. Let's take down, past the water. Ice. Ice, ice, ice. Wow, okay. Now, this big one, 8 days. Full chunks. Definitely still have ice in here. Pretty good. Pretty good. Dick's Sporting Goods, you were not kidding. Well, we got at least 4 days of ice retention. Not soupy at all in these, and the smaller one, it's still keeping your drinks cold days later. All of these items are made in the USA, and there is one other color that they didn't send out. Very special thanks to Dick's Sporting Goods for sending over these new cooler lines for me to show to you. Check the links down below in the description to check the best price and best deals on these coolers. I almost lost my sunglasses in the grass. How about that?